On Monday, the High Court in Jinja granted bail to the Rwenzururu King Charles Wesley Mumbere after an application filed by his legal team was agreed upon by the state prosecutor. The bail granted by Justice Michael Lubu followed King Mumbere's acceptance of the stringent conditions imposed by the court. They include bonding each of his four sureties at a sum of 100 million shillings, not cash, restricting the king's movement for the duration of the trial in the central districts of Kampala, Wakiso and Jinja, restricting the king from traveling to the districts of Kasese, Bundibujo and Kabarole, having unlimited access to his immediate family lawyers and doctors, but limited access to other people, reporting every month to the director of CID and to the registrar of the High Court. Some MPs and leaders from Kasese district expressed their displeasure at their king's strict bail conditions.
It's like they are transferring Luzira to his home. I've never seen court passing a judgment, giving bail under the conditions that we have received today.
The previous bail was specific that if he wanted to visit the kingdom, he would request court to grant him permission to go. But this one, he has to even seek for permission to receive visitors.
It is only in a prison that somebody is cleared to see a person, but somebody on bail should ordinarily for sure be accessible by everyone.
Bukonzo West MP Atkins Katsabe, however, held a different view from his colleagues in Parliament from Kasese district.
Regardless, really, I look at that as a window of opportunity that the king now can have a peace of mind back home to begin looking, the future of a court process, and and I think that clarity of mind, as far as the king is concerned, I think that is something that I take in good faith.
Legal experts weighed in on the debate about whether the king's bail conditions were fair. Dr. Brian Kalenge of the Uganda Christian University says that although the Omusinga is a cultural leader, he is not above the law. He further urged politicians against politicizing the court's decision.
You see, these are politicians that have various, interests, A, B, C, and D. But when the court has reached a determination and has had both parties and has reached a fair determination, which I think is fair in my opinion, then it should be left to go ahead and hear the case on its merits and reach a decision.
Lawyer and activist Sylvia Nambiru Mukasa from the Legal Aid and Service Provider Network says that the court's decision to give the king strict conditions was informed by the power and status he wields among his subjects.
An influential person to start with, so we don't know whether you will not interfere with the investigation, but at the same time we don't want you to keep you under incarceration because you are innocent. So they allow you to get out.
Both lawyers, however, maintain that the conditions imposed by the court are fair, judging from the gravity of the offenses.
He's presumed innocent, yes, but he also has a significant case to answer. So we cannot completely disregard the other parties in this, the victim.
We shall look at them as unfair because they are restrictive, because they are the conditions set. And for me, they are better than keeping him behind the incarceration.
The Rwenzururu King Charles Wesley Mumbere is facing numerous charges under the Anti-Terrorism Act, which include several counts of murder, attempted murder, aggravated robbery, and malicious damage. Suhail, Mugabi, NTV.